Look at you. Look at how you're swimming. Come over here, swim to me. Are you gonna go get the worm? Look at that. Yeah, look at how you can. Oh, you gotta get it. The jets. The jets, you got it. Good job. Let's go swimming. You gonna go back to the stairs? Okay. Look at how much of a kicker you are. Oh my goodness. Whoa. That was so good, honey. You want me to go under? Yeah. Okay.
Daddy go under.
You want Daddy to go under?
You go Nasa under that.
Oh. Okay. This is for Nana. Look at you.
If you're going to go to battery operated, they kind of cool you down.
Come
I
on.
sprayed up with the stuff. There was just a little stuffy in the skin.
Oh, Daddy's taking a video.
Come on. Nana's gonna be excited to see how much of a fish Iris has turned into. Look at that. Good job, honey. Oh.